What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, AUXITO LED lights. I actually just got sponsored by them, which is great. It's awesome. So they sent me this product that I'm gonna install on the cord over there. And I already got a before video for you guys. I'll put it right here. So I just want to show you guys how booty regular low beams are on this 2010 Honda Accord. Not really much visibility. Granted, the headlights are foggy. These AUXITO LEDs are definitely gonna make a big difference, even with these foggy, you know? So in the same spot is where you guys are gonna see the new LED lights and how much better the visibility is. It's crazy. And honestly, from what I've seen on the website, I'm kind of excited to see how these look after I put them on, you know? Should be a pretty easy installation, so I'll show you guys how to do it now. Here's a little unboxing for you guys. So nice, it comes with a little pair of gloves that you can use, some zip ties, and here are the LED lights right here. These are for the low beams for this car. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. There's a lot of stuff in the way, unfortunately, but we'll make it work. So I'm removing the clips from this plastic cover right here because I already know I need to remove it to get to the headlight bolts and stuff. So you got a Phillips head screwdriver. You just gotta take it out on both sides. Take out the plastics underneath the car, so I gotta jack it up. I'm gonna put a jack stand for safety. I'm gonna remove the clips like I did up top. Get this plastic piece off on the bottom. Be able to pop up the bumper now. Just gotta tug on it a little bit. I'll show you guys on this side. So just see. Don't want to mess anything up when you're tugging it. See? Bang. Successfully removed. 1, 2, 3 bolts that are holding the headlight, and it should pop right out. Should be 10mm bolts. Gonna pop it in the AUXITO box. It's gonna be holding all my bolts. And one more. You already see that the headlight came loose, so I should be able to pop it out. Let's see. I'm gonna use 2 hands just in case. Make sure which one the low beam is. I'm gonna turn it on, see which one lights up, and then just to confirm which one to replace. Low beam one is the one that's all the way at the end of the headlight. Right there. So that's the one we're gonna be changing. That one right there. Get these out. They look super nice. Fancy. I like them, yo. I'm excited to see how they look. Push down on the tab, pull the connector off. You use a flathead, kind of like push it down. It's probably been on there for so long, you know. And then twist it to the left. You guys could see that, and pull it out. You could already see the difference in the daytime. Look how much brighter that thing is. Oh my gosh. Wow, you're gonna be blinding people, and these are freaking foggy headlights. Oh my goodness. You guys are putting it back together, just line up the clips. Super important, don't force it in. Just line it in right here, and then push it in, and it'll line up itself, you know what I'm saying? Then you can put the bolts back in. Then we can move on to this side. 10 mils are all tightened back up. Gonna move on to this side. I'll take it off here. This time I'll have a clearer video for you guys on taking off the connector, even though it's pretty self-explanatory. Got another one right here. Take that off. Take that off. I'll do it off camera. So just push down on the connector over here. Kind of like push it off. It's been in there for so long, so might need a flathead to do it. So just hold the clip down, push down lightly with your, or gently with your flathead. Try to get the connector to come off. See? Slowly coming off. You don't want to break the connector because then you're not going to have a good connection. Bang. And then you turn it to the left and take it right out. Hey, how's it going? So, you know, line it up. And then what you're gonna do, push in, turn to the right, bang. And after that, you wanna obviously have this part facing up, plug it in. Now it's all set. It's money on, and I could tell that they're super bright already. Sheesh. Everything is all reverse procedure. Don't have to record, just literally put back where you took apart. That's all it is. So I restored the headlights just to, you know, see how bright the lights would be, especially at night. So let me see what the difference is now. Oh yeah, look at that. Even better. I couldn't save this side as well because it has cracks in it. There's only so much I could do with that. So, but yeah, it looks great. Can't wait to see it at night. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you just how bright these are. Check it out. You could already tell that it's huge difference. Look at the visibility. It's shooting all the way out down there. You guys already remember how the other ones look, but this is just a huge difference. Imagine if she had like new headlights. Oh my goodness. 1000% recommend. So this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys liked the review. It was pretty easy to install the AUXITO LEDs, and they're super bright. Freaking awesome product. They're definitely worth checking out. I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. You guys get 15% off if you use the code WASABI on the AUXITO LED website. So use that to your advantage because these things are mint. So huge thanks to AUXITO for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. But as always, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on notifications so you don't miss nothing. And I'll catch you on the next one.